Okay, so Simeon just spent a good bit of time taking this thing apart. In order to get it apart, you have to pull out these plastic caps in here, and once he got it off, the only problem was that ribbon connector that goes from the top display down to the main board was loose in there, so he just had to unplug it and plug it back in, and then the thing was good to go again. You didn't have to reset anything, right?
Yeah, nope. It was pretty much good.
How do you reset it?
You hold down the plus and pause button for 10 seconds.
So if you do have to reset it, you just hold these two down for 10 seconds. That resets everything. Basically the problem that he was having is you could press the power button and it was just unresponsive. It wouldn't do anything. You can see it has had a little bit of a rough existence. It did get some rainwater on it, so they thought maybe that was part of the problem, but this thing is supposed to be water resistant, so that actually wasn't the problem. So just, if you do end up pulling this apart, just remove these screws here, these screws here, the 3 on the top. I would have showed you what that inside part looked like, but Simeon is putting it together too quickly. So you'll just have to, this just comes straight up, right?
Yeah,
once you get those screws out.
Stuck, kind of. You have to like carefully pry it up.
Are there any other screws other than these ones and these 3?
No, I don't think it's. And you have to, yeah.
So then it just comes apart right at this line. You can see right there where he kind of stuck a screwdriver in and twisted to get it to pop apart. But yeah, once you get that up, just check that ribbon connector. Make sure all the other plugs are connected good. You could unplug it and plug it back in. That's what he did, and then the display started working again. So hope that that's helpful. Good luck on your project. Again, sorry that I couldn't show you the inside, but Simeon insisted that he had to put those screws in immediately for whatever reason. So comment down below if you're mad at him.
Okay.
All right, later.